One of the most famous cafes and bakery chains in Japan is St. Marc Café, or commonly known as San Maruku Café. St. Marc Café first opened in 1998 in Tokyo and has then tremendously expanded. Now it has hundreds of branches all over Japan. You can usually find one inside a shopping mall. They offer so many options such as freshly baked bread, parfait, smoothie, and different kinds of drinks such as coffee, tea, milk tea, matcha latte, and more. They also have a choice of morning set which includes coffee and bread. The most fun part is that they named their morning sets after the days of the week. Monday for salt croissant, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Tuesday for French toast, Wednesday for potato butter Danish, Thursday for toasted sand with plenty of eggs, and so on. On the other hand, their lunch sets mostly include chocolate bread, a drink, and burger. If you're not sure what to try first, go for their signature food called Choco Crow, short for chocolate croissant. It is made from beans and wrapped in crispy croissant dough.